Looking for the absolute best way to relax outdoors? Say hello to the GCI Outdoor KickBack Rocker. This isn't just your average camp chair. It's a portable, rocking chair designed to bring backyard comfort to the great outdoors. It's built slightly lower to the ground than standard chairs, giving you that perfect, relaxed kickback position. Thanks to the patented spring action rocking technology, you get a smooth, soothing rock on any terrain, whether you're at a campsite, a tailgate, or just in your own backyard. It's super durable, incredibly easy to fold up, and comes with a built-in beverage holder and phone pocket to keep your essentials close. Ready to upgrade your outdoor relaxation? Check out the link in the description below to grab yours on Amazon right now. Don't wait! Get yours today and start rocking in comfort.